Hey foodies, and welcome back to another episode of Nerdy Nibbles.
Today we're making hot cocoa dip. Hot cocoa dip?
Yep. Saw this off of TikTok. Thought we'd give it a shot.
Okay, I'm just gonna go with the Kihro's directions. Whole thing?
Yeah, so we're gonna put hot cocoa, and apparently we're supposed to mix the heavy cream in.
Oh, like first?
Yeah, with the hot cocoa.
Oh, okay.
Just a little bit. A little more. There we go.
You made these sugar cookies
to go as a dip, or with the dip, as the dip. What the hell?
We're dipping in. Okay, now what?
Now the whole tub of
Cool
Whip.
If it's good, it might make it onto the menu for New Year's Eve. Are you coming to the New Year's Eve party?
What New Year's Eve party?
My New Year's Eve party. Sure.
I mean, I'm off, so.
I'm off because I took the vacation time.
Along with that, we're just gonna do a scoop of marshmallow fluff.
You almost flunked that all over my counter, and don't think I wouldn't have said anything.
But
I so would have said something. Because all the crap you all give me.
You thought, anyways.
Who needs the gym when you can suffer?
Probably should add another. Excuse me.
So you're gonna open up another pack and then separate the marshmallows from that pack?
Nah, not this time.
I was gonna say
they're going in the dip this time.
All right.
Just gonna make that extra chocolatey. Work it, girl. Yes.
Or I guess. And how do we know it's done?
I think it's done.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's the dip. That's it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Hey.
It's on my person, not on my counter. Okay, well then I guess that's done.
Yeah, that spoon.
What spoon? The spoon that you put over there?
I was testing you.
Were you?
Just gonna pour that back in there.
Oh. Yeah. That's a great idea. The gamer stuff I'm drinking today is called Nile Necklace. It's like an apricot and nectarine. Delicious. Okay, I'll take this. Sink.
You want to do the chocolate sprinkles? So we got some of the marshmallows from the packet. We're just gonna. That's pretty sad, but you know. And some chocolate sprinkles. Heck yeah.
Bon appetit. Okay, I guess now we're gonna try it.
And that's the hot cocoa dip. Now you take a cookie.
Sure.
Oh yes. Okay. Tastes like cocoa.
Cool,
like really frothy cocoa.
Oh, yeah. Getting it now.
You're getting it now?
Yeah.
If you really want a chocolatey taste, I would probably add more cocoa.
Yeah, like 3 or 4 packets.
Yeah. Well.
This is so fast.
That was a short episode, but that's how you make the TikTok hot cocoa dip. Until next time, foodies.
See you later.
Bye.